In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add calendar widget to your home screen in your Android phone. So at first, just touch and hold on the home screen. After that, just go to widgets option. From here, scroll down a bit. And here you can see calendar option. Just tap on calendar. And that's it. Now here you can find so many calendar widgets. And you can add any kind of widgets on the home screen as you like. If you scroll down, suppose if you want to add this calendar widget to your home screen, just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to the home screen. And that's it. You can see calendar widget has been added successfully. Now just touch and hold it. Then go to settings option. From here you can customize your widget. You can see background color option, mesh font settings, light and dark. You can choose any option as you want. You can increase or decrease transparency. And that's it. Then just tap on save. And that is how you can add calendar widget to your home screen in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.